Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice in a kettle. Start by measuring 1 cup rice and 2 cups water, then rinse the rice until water is clear. Preheat the kettle gently, add rice and water, and bring to a low simmer. Cover and reduce heat, timing depends on rice type. Let rice rest off heat to finish steaming, then fluff with a fork before serving for best texture. Pick the rice that matches your meal and schedule. Long grain cooks faster and stays separate, while short grain becomes stickier and clings together. Brown rice takes longer and absorbs more water, so plan extra time and keep the lid on. Adjust water by about 25% more for whole grain varieties. Always test a bite near the end of cooking to check doneness and texture before resting and fluffing. Control heat carefully to avoid burning and uneven cooking in a kettle. Aim for a gentle simmer and resist lifting the lid while rice cooks, because trapped steam finishes the grains. If the kettle seems too hot, lower the flame or move it off direct heat briefly. After the timer, allow rice to rest covered for 5 to 10 minutes so steam evens out moisture and yields tender, uniform grain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.